to fix login error on Tim Hortons application. If you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any kinds of internet errors while logging in. However, if you are facing any other kinds of problem while logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. After that, you want to scroll down here and navigate yourself to the Tim Hortons application. Here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and tap on offload app. Offload app again and simply tap on reinstall application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if you do face any kinds of problem after this, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.